Hi, this is Martin Poruba and welcome to the video of my Modulary Ecosystem series. Today I will be talking about modulary homes and my point of view of modern modulary homes. What it means to me. And I need to share with you, because I believe in this so much. So, uh, what are benefits or what are the main reasons to have some modulary home? Is there any advantage? I think yeah, there is. There's a few. For at first, it's like all in one concept. It's everything else except homes nowadays are made from in a factory, and it's delivered to you in one piece. So, for example, you have a phone, and the phone is assembled in one piece. It's don't come with another build it yourself, make the alloy frame in your house and make some people to do it and that stuff. No, it just all comes in one piece, so all in one concept. Next, uh, everything with this concept, everything else is built offsite. It can be fully transportable, so it means like your house need to be put on truck and delivered to you, or if you buy another land, another place, so it can be transferred to your new location. It's important to have some reusability in this structure, for, as I said, the transportation. And as second option, it can be dismantled and reuse or recycle. That's lead to the sustainability, and it can be used in the construction. That there can be used some shipping containers for low carb footprint, you know but also sustainability for me is like, if you build a quality home, it can be big, or fancy decoration shit inside. So if you build a great home with a functional layout and functional materials, and you know just modern stuff that can be easily fixed, the fittings and electricity and the other stuff. So you don't need another place to buy. You can stay there like forever and ever, 100 years or something. So yeah, as I said, the dry construction, you know only things that you can cut, weld, and fix by electric screwdriver. You just the idea is you pick some board, and you just make some screwdriver and modern screws, and just go, you know you don't use some kind of shitty old stuff like the mortar, plaster. No, why? You don't need this. Come on, you don't need this. So, to get to the construction of the house, modulary house. For me, it's like two types. Basically, it's like the wooden frames, wooden box frame, and the steel construction. Wooden modules, it's for the people who like the fucking nature, and like they don't like the metal frame, like the metal cage. Somebody, but on the other hand, like, I think it's not important at all. It's up to you. You can decide whatever you need. But for me, it's like wooden models is like they have shorter span, and I think they are a little bit more expensive. But maybe in the future, whatever. And the example, it's like they use it in in the in the wait for it, I need to find it. In the Switzerland, oh, I'm so dumb. In Switzerland, they are using it right now. It's not a new thing. And steel construction, it's like we can use some shipping containers, as I mentioned earlier, and we can have some steel cage. Yeah. So if you look here, we have some steel frame, we have some shipping containers, and you have some wooden frame. Wooden frame is limited by his dimensions. It's like wide of 2.5 meters, deep right 3.7 meters, and high 2.6 meters. And then this is module that can be easily manipulated by a crane. And the main disadvantage of the wood is there if you need to have bigger spans. Also, the columns and the beams needs to be thicker. So it's like this, if you need to have bigger spans, then you need to switch to steel. Man of Steel, and you will be Man of Steel, you know. So then comes the technology. You know, you do have the construction, you have the walls, and then you need to fit in some technology in the areas where is a cold, and you have some really thick insulation. You can use air controlled systems. It can be like one unit, one room system, or it can be one unit, whole house system. And the other technologies, like of course it's electricity and water treatment, and for some futuristic people, it can be smart household. So water treatment is like basic filtrations and other stuff. Water storage, electricity for me is like the battery options, solar panels, that kind of stuff. Interior, we can go in with the interior really quickly. For me, it's like the basic interior in a bedroom. You know, in a bedroom you need a quality wooden bed, but just simple. You know, it can be foldable. Because my concept is like the small quality space interior with a lot of outside exterior quality space and then it come together, and then you have some sustainable quality building housing. So okay, then you have some shower room. There can it's necessary to think about light colors, linear LED lighting, and high airflow ventilation. In the kitchen, you need the big ventilation over the cooker area, compact kitchen unit, and of course again linear LED lighting. Of course, you need to have storage, modular storage with the modules, and of course you need to have washing machine and dryer and one big machine. And then I have an office here, quality working table with electric elevation legs, storage for files. You know, we put some paper files, and then you have some stairs. It can be wood and steel. You know, just raw materials. Exterior, exterior is very important for me. Exterior it's the same importance as interior. Why? Because if you think about it a little bit, if you have a big apartment, big expensive apartment, but with no exterior, then it's like, well, uh, whatever, you know. But if you have small quality material apartment with functional stuff inside and layout, and with the with the with exterior space, terrace, balcony, or whatever, then I think for me it's like you have a whole package inside, and it don't need to be that big inside, you know. So exterior is it's from the facade, or of course, but no mortar, you know, just panels, wooden panels, steel panels, and ventilated, and you can use some greens to climb in the facade. You need, of course, if you have outside area like balcony, you need to have some shed to cover the sunlight, or you need to have sunshades with calibrate the daylight. It can be basic option like sliding wood panels, or luxury option with the metallic automatic shades. Then you know you need to have some terrace options with a natural wood and oil paint or wood plastic materials. Depends on you, you know, whatever. Every material, outside material on terrace have some their own advantages. Stairs, outside stairs is like constant. Every steel thing outside needs to be zinc coated, you know, or wooden. But I think the wooden would last maximum 15 years, and then you need to change it. But zinc coating, I think it can be like 50 years, and this is the goal. The goal is make it easy, quality, and long lasting, and durable. So I think in modular concept that I developed called modulary frames, in which the system, in which is my system on modular housing. So I have some if I can wrap this whole whole modular home concept, wrap this up. I think this I can wrap this up with like some styles. You know, it can be survival style, classic style, industrial, natural, high tech, and luxury. In a survival style, you know, it's like the ultimate raw materials, basic standard equipment. In the classic style, it's like a classic modern standard that you see today. So industrial for me, it's like industrial raw black steel and stainless steel, atypic design elements, and plywood. You know, natural, it's like wood, straw, clay, natural steel, stainless steel, logs, big wood plates, wool, linen, ceramics, whatever. And high tech option is like special materials, nano materials, automatic doors, smart home concepts, smooth floors, whatever, you know. The future, just the futuristic touch. A lot of lightning, and the clean area, clean rooms, and stuff. And at last, I have some luxury option. It's for people that, you know, that like luxury, so they can pay a little bit more. So for me, it's like the bigger spaces with the more units, to have some between spaces between units, and with the generous space inside. and with the luxury materials, luxury materials. It's like silver, gold with white painting, and gold, no gold, but onyx interior materials and marble, and for some crazy people, like some uh, uh, some not cheap faucets, expensive faucets on the sink and that kind of crap. But also I can deliver that, So what do we have here today? It was like modular homes has their advantages. It was like uh, what construction do we have? What technology can we deliver? What interior can be inside? What exterior we need to have? And what style I need or you need to fill in to cover all this construction up. So I hope this make a little bit of sense, and I love that you enjoy this and view this and support me, and I hope you touch the subscribe button and like button and help me with this point of view to make some change in the world. So have a nice day and bye.